Cardano cost most certainly equivalent to $0.3842 a coin incredibly. The present exchange cost range, 0.3816-0.3930, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.3923, which truly is genuinely huge. The change basically was 0.0081, 2.06% in a really significant way. Backwards rate, USD to ADA, which truly is very critical. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.39, greatest 0.42, sort of least 0.36 in an unpretentious way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.41, lovely greatest 0.44, kind of least 0.38 in an especially huge manner. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.40, fundamentally most extreme 0.43, certainly least 0.37, or so they certainly thought. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.41, most certainly greatest 0.44, in every practical sense, least 0.38, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $0.44, kind of most extreme 0.47, beautiful least 0.41, which sort of shows that Cardano value forecast for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.39, kind of greatest 0.42, especially least 0.36, which basically is genuinely huge. In multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, April 10, cost $0.43, most extreme 0.46, especially least 0.40 in a genuinely large way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.44, kind of greatest 0.47, certainly least 0.41, which generally is very huge. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.43, by and large greatest 0.46, least 0.40, most certainly further appearance how Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.43, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.46, in every practical sense, least 0.40, or so they fundamentally thought. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.42, kind of greatest 0.45, sort of least 0.39, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Friday, April 14, cost $0.43, lovely most extreme 0.46, exceptionally least 0.40, which in a real sense is very critical. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.42, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.45, certainly least 0.39, exhibiting how Cardano figure on Friday, April 14, cost $0.43, genuinely greatest 0.46, in every practical sense, least 0.40 in a genuinely significant way. Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.47, most certainly greatest 0.50, sort of least 0.44, which basically is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.45, genuinely most extreme 0.48, least 0.42 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.46, really greatest 0.49, kind of least 0.43 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.44, greatest 0.47, genuinely least 0.41 in a truly significant way. In 3 weeks Cardano conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost $0.47, in every practical sense, greatest 0.50, especially least 0.44 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.47, greatest 0.50, lovely least 0.44, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.44, sort of greatest 0.47, exceptionally least 0.41 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.44, truly most extreme 0.47, kind of least 0.41 in a significant way. Cardano conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $0.46, genuinely greatest 0.49, least 0.43. So today, S exchange cost range, 0.3816 0.3930. Or so they certainly thought. In about a month, Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.50. In every way that really matters, most extreme 0.54, least 0.47, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.48, certainly most extreme 0.51, especially least 0.45, which is very critical. USD to ADA swapping scale especially equivalent to 2.6028 coins per $1, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Today, S-reach 2.5445-2.6205, showing that Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.47, kind of most extreme 0.50, kind of least 0.44 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby, 2.5491, so Cardano conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.46, by and large greatest 0.49, especially least 0.43, which especially is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0537, plus 2.11%. By and large further appearance how Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.47, truly greatest 0.50, really least 0.44. USD to ADA cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which generally shows that in about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.42, sort of most extreme 0.45, truly least 0.39. Exhibiting how Cardano estimate on Friday, April 14, cost $0.43, exceptionally greatest 0.46, least 0.40 in an especially significant way. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, April 3, cost 2.564 coins. By and large most extreme 2.778, genuinely least 2.381, which fundamentally is very huge. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 2.439 coins. Fundamentally greatest 2.632, especially least 2.273, which by and large shows that Cardano cost pretty equivalent to $0.3842 a coin, which most certainly is very huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 2.500 coins, kind of most extreme 2.703, beautiful least 2.326 in a huge way. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 2.439 coins, genuinely most extreme 2.632, fundamentally least 2.273. Exhibiting how Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.43, beautiful greatest 0.46, kind of least 0.40, essentially further appearance how Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.43. Fundamentally greatest 0.46, by and large least 0.40, which really is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, April 7, cost 2.273 coins, genuinely greatest 2.439, sort of least 2.128 in a really significant manner. In multi